steps and.
Let's explain what I should explain what I meant by that. The bill allows the county commission to charge, what's the fee called? Breeding?
Commercial breeding.
A commercial breeding fee.
Right.
$250 if you have 11 to 30 one-year-old dogs. That's going to be tough. What's the point? That's mine.
Well, that was our question. I voted against the bill. I'm hoping the governor's going to veto it. The bill is very poorly written. It's full of loopholes. I think it's interesting that greyhounds are exempted completely.
So it's greyhounds and something else. What was the other one?
Well, it talks about hunting dogs. It talks about other dogs. Two of the delegates that do some breeding on a side basis, Delegate Woody Ireland and Dave Evans, questioned the proponents of the bill real heavily. It was a fascinating discussion. They pushed forward on it anyway. One of the things that there's no enforcement in it, and it really doesn't target puppy mills at all. It's just an extra level of regulation and taxation that's going to be a hardship for people that breed animals. And it's just a terribly, terribly written bill. And I've gotten some serious and sincere inquiries from animal lovers and say, why did you vote against that bill? And once I explained to them what the bill didn't do, they said, well, we didn't realize that. We just told it was going to help regulate puppy mills. And people that have puppy mills aren't going to pay attention to it anyway. One of the questions that Delegate Ireland asked during discussion, he said, well, how do I know if I'm covered? And what's the enforcement? And the answer he got says, well, it's up to you to decide whether you're covered or not. And we just all kind of looked at each other. Every year, it seems like there's one or two bills, stealth bills that come through that you just scratch your head and think, what are they thinking? It's not a matter of political philosophy, it's just goofy bills. This is one of them. I don't see it going anywhere. I hope the governor vetoes.
Very good. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Yeah, I was reading that last night, and I could not figure out why 11 one-year-old dogs. Wow.
Well, who's gonna, this is my question is, how are you gonna know how old they are? I mean.
Well, it puts more work on our humane officers or our dog wardens.
We'll have to educate them how to read dogs' teeth. I mean, they can tell us dogs' teeth nowadays. I mean, dogs back here, they lose certain teeth at a year old.
Oh, yeah.
So, I mean, you're right, just have to educate our animal control people how to check the teeth.
I think county commissioners ought to check the teeth.
County commissioner, yeah, be a good job for us. Help fill in some of that voided time in our full-time position.
That's right.
Anything else, commissioners? We have a few minutes. Are all the parties here for the estate hearing of William Frederick Messner?
We are, Your Honor. Or, sorry, we are, Mr. Commissioner. Yes. I'm used to addressing the body. Sorry.